Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we'll bring you step by step to create a sales funnel for your business. A sales funnel is a tool to visualize where your customers are in the process of making a buying decision and include the steps of awareness, consideration, preference, purchase, loyalty, and advocacy. In step 1 of the sales funnel, we'll focus on awareness to attract the community that is unfamiliar with your business. A great place to start for the awareness stage is blogging. Publishing blog articles on your website will help your site be found in search engines. This way, when your prospective customers search for solutions, they can go to your website instead of your competitors. Another great way to create awareness is social networking. Meet your customers by developing an active presence on the networks that makes the most sense for your business. Social media can also indirectly impact your search engine rankings. Finally, a great place to start to create awareness is to use pay-per-click ads. Pay-per-click campaigns allow you to pay websites for sharing your advertisement. You only pay when someone clicks on your ad or by the number of impressions your ad receives. In step 2 of the funnel, we'll focus on consideration. Here we'll want to engage those who now know we exist. You'll want to create landing pages. A landing page is a page on your website with content that addresses one specific problem. It should include a single call to action, and the purpose is to capture your prospect's contact information or make a sale. Next, add clear calls to action to your website by asking yourself, what do I need my website visitor to do? Do they need to call to set up an appointment, complete a contact form, watch a video? Decide the action and add a clear call to action multiple times on the page. Finally, you'll want to create pop-ups for your pages with the highest amount of web traffic. You may want to offer a lead magnet, a content upgrade, or a coupon to entice your website visitors to sign up for your email newsletter. In step 3 of our sales funnel, we'll focus on preference, where we'll educate those committed to making a purchase. The strongest and most proven way to increase conversions in this stage is email marketing. Your goal is to pre-qualify prospects by helping them understand if your product is a good fit for them. You can begin to educate prospects about your business and build trust using a simple email. Send an automated email to subscribers with answers to the 10 most frequently asked questions about your product or service. You can also send out any news of sales or promotions. In step 4 of our sales funnel, we'll be focusing on the purchase, where we'll convert customers who are ready to buy. If you're selling a product, you have to consistently and clearly offer that product for purchase. Don't assume that customers will find their way to your checkout or figure out how to purchase your product just because they're visiting your website. Make it simple for customers to find your product or service and optimize your checkout page by using live chat, offer free shipping, etc. In this stage, you'll want to set up automatic emails to send to people who have abandoned their shopping cart. Finally, don't forget to schedule email marketing campaigns around popular holidays and repeatedly give prospects a reminder and opportunity to purchase your product using product placement and a clear call to action. In step 5 of our sales funnel, we'll focus on customer loyalty, where our goal is to re-engage our core fans who have already made a purchase. In this stage, consider sending out resell emails where you can resell existing customers the same product they've already purchased. Many customers simply need a gentle nudge to repurchase a product they've already enjoyed. You can also entice the customer to purchase more expensive items, packages, or add-ons during and after the sale. You can do this during the checkout process or as a follow-up email after the initial purchase. Don't forget to simply say thank you. Emailing a customer on the anniversary of their purchase or birthday to say thank you can go a long way towards building loyalty. Offering a coupon or freebie on that anniversary can go even further. Congratulations! You've successfully created a sales funnel for your business. Now simply focus on increasing conversions in each stage of that sales funnel, and you're on your way to booming business. And don't forget, at OptinMonster.com, we have a free ebook for you about 19 proven ways to reduce your cart abandonment and grow your revenue. Sign up and get access today.